VE Commodore 2010 dual fuel LPG, obviously international edition. How to change plugs. It's easy when you know it. The hardest part on VE International dual fuel, that you have to remove all these 6 bolts from here. That's hard. Be careful with these switches, plugs that could break. You make sure you pull this yellow bit slightly with the pliers, and then you pull it out with the hand. It's easy, otherwise it could damage it, so just be careful with that. And you need to pull this particular exhaust I guess out of there, just to lift this particular piece up to get into the plugs and coils. So you need these 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, and you can see 2, and that's 3. So there's got like six bolts here, actually 5 on this one, and 1 at the back, which is very hard to get in. So you need a number 10 socket to pull it out. Just be patient, no problems, easy. And 3 plugs here, so spark plugs. So you just need to pull this. You have to lift the whole panel up. I'm just holding on to this spiral, and yeah, so I'm gonna pull it out and see what happens. Here you go. We just pull this old one out. That's a bit dark here. Pull the old plug out, and it's totally gone. Hardly any sparks. So we're just gonna put new one now. So you just put the plug in to the socket, plug socket, and then you just do hand tied, and that's it. So we just put this in already, and we're gonna just tie it up now. So we just hand tied it, and that's it. We're gonna go for second one and thereafter.